Good morning, children. Welcome back to P.N.AMERSEY e-learning classes. Let's start with the chapter number 8, the world of plant. Let's start with the first topic, how plants multiply. The process by which living beings multiply and produce new living things of the same kind is called reproduction. Now, what is the reproduction? It is the process which living beings multiply and they also produce new living things of the same kind, that is called reproduction. There are many ways in which plants reproduce and multiply. Now children, there are many ways in which they reproduce and multiply. What are they? Now, number one, through their seeds. With the seeds they reproduce and multiply. Through pores they multiply. And through different vegetative parts. Now what are they? They are like roots. By the roots they multiply. By stems. With the stems they reproduce and multiply. And by the leaves. By the leaves also they reproduce and multiply. So children, how plants multiply? They multiply by roots, stems and leaves. Now children, we will study about this vegetative parts one by one, and the first one is reproduction through seeds. Most fruits contain seeds. So children, you must be knowing many fruits, they contain seeds inside. A seed is the small hard part of a plant from which a new plant grows. So a seed, it is a very small hard part of the plant from which new plant can grow. Seeds have food stored inside for the new plant. So seed store food inside for the new plant. In flowering plants and trees, the flowers change into fruits which have seeds inside them. So children, in flowering plants and trees, the plants and trees who are having the flowers, those flowers they change into the fruits which have seeds inside them. When seeds get the right amount of warmth, air and moisture, the process of germination begins. So children, when that seed gets a good amount of warm sunlight, we can say, air, fresh air and moisture. Now that process is called germination. New plants start growing from the seed. This process is called germination. Germination is a process by which a seed begins to sprout and grow into a seedling. Now what is the germination? A seed begins to grow and a small new plants come out from the seeds. That is called germination. First a tiny root and then a shoot emerged from the seed at the stage. So first what comes out? Tiny roots comes out from the seed and then a shoot emerges from the seed at the stage. Now slowly the small plants comes out from the seed at this stage. This is called germination. Children, you must have understood the meaning of germination. It is the process by which a seed begins to sprout and grow into a seedling. This is called germination. So children, we have completed our first part here. We will continue with the chapter in our next video. Till then, take care.